Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know
Macka
about
Diamond,
us.
also known as Lady Charm, Lady Mackerel, and the Money Goddess. Macka Diamond was born in the year of the ox. Macka Diamond's zodiac sign is Capricorn. Capricorn is a sign that represents time and responsibility, and its representatives are traditional and often very serious by nature. During the 1980s, she was known as Lady Charm, Lady Worries, and Lady Mackerel. She is a Jamaican born. She was influenced by a few female reggae dancehall artists who were big at that time, like Sister Nancy, Lady Ann, Lady Junie, and Lady G. With the help of Lady Junie, Macka Diamond was able to record the song Dawn Girl. Dawn Girl is an answer record to Major Mackerel's Dawn Man. She has guest appearance from Mad Cobra, Bunham featuring Black Arrow, and many more reggae and dancehall artists. She changed her name to Macka Diamond with her 2003 single Tech On, a protest record to Vybz Kartel's chauvinistic track Tech Buddy. She had many singles, including collaborations with Captain Barkey and Wickerman. She released an album called Don't Disturb Me under Money O Productions on the 7th of February 2012. Charmaine Munroe, who goes by the stage name Macka Diamond, is a female singer, dancehall reggae artist with a net worth of $3 million. Bling Bling Money O. In addition to her music, she has also written and published several novels and books, including The Real Gangster Wife. Dancehall queen Macka Diamond is the daughter of reggae producer Philip Munroe. She has no plans to retire from dancehall anytime soon. Macka Diamond 1 on Instagram, Macka Diamond on all music platforms. Macka Diamond seems to have gone all out on this new single. She released a single called Set Me Free. Set Me Free official music video on YouTube, January 27, 2021. You can find it on many more media platforms. Just Google Macka Diamond. Dancehallmag, January 23, 2021, 2:40 p.m. News. Dancehall artiste Macka Diamond recently shared her bedroom skills with social media. Macka Diamond says women in her age group who are condemning her sexy style of dressing should pop off their fender and make efforts to take care of their bodies by adopting a healthy lifestyle so they can look as glamorous as her. January 10, 2021, 4:05 p.m. Dancehallmag News. Dancehall artist Macka Diamond says she has been wondering whether her rival played a role in her being blocked from accessing and working with Vybz Kartel. Foota Hype says Macka Diamond competing with Lady Saw and Spice. Dancehallmag News, January 7, 2021, 2:37 p.m. Macka Diamond's decision to engage in 2 weeks of prayer and fasting to fix what she says is the crisis amongst the females in dancehall. Another female dancehall star is jumping into the fashion game. Macka Diamond has launched her clothing line, which is called See Me Mackadoocious. Macka Diamond has announced that her foundation will be donating and supporting less fortunate pregnant women. Nicki Minaj snubbing Macka Diamond Megatron Challenge video. The Megatron Challenge has been underway for some time now. A video of Macka Diamond September 13, 2019 sucking on a cucumber and gyrating on a roadway to her single titled Cucumber. Macka Diamond, who has been using social media to promote the new single Set Me Free, said health is wealth, ladies grab your cucumber.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us.